name is Luis Santos. I'm the executive chef at Keck Medical Center of USC. This is my plant-based dish, deconstructed Honduran tamales. So the inspiration for this dish came because we're very inclusive here at USC, and I had never seen my heritage pass through in any of our creations. And I decided to incorporate my culture into it, my Honduran culture. I ended up having to call my aunts that make tamales every weekend. And they make Honduran tamales for a living. They do this backwards and forwards. They can do it blindfolded. So essentially I went and called the experts to help me with this dish. There was a lot of expectation for this to be hospital food tasting and in that term. And I was glad to see that a lot of the critics that ate this dish felt that it was a gourmet dish, that it belonged in a restaurant, and it was well represented. The plant-based aspect of it just brought it together. I had a lot of people that wanted chicken and wanted that whole animal-based product, and were happy to eat this dish. They came back and they told me how great it was, and that they weren't expecting so much flavor out of something that was plant-based.